Hello everyone, Wafer here. Today a short one. So you want to put a transition between two of your clips. It's quite easy, just zoom a bit more in, get a better view of this tool, and after that you go to the cut between the two clips you wanna connect, press right click, go to apply default transition and click it, and then you have your transition. So if you want to have it a bit longer, you press right click on the transition, set transition duration, and use whatever time you wanna put in. For example 45 milliseconds. So it's a bit longer and you can see a longer transition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.